Good Monday morning, pre-AP. This is Mrs. Welkenbach reporting live from her living room with her favorite animal, Bing. That's right, I'm back with Bing. I'm making yet another video with Bing because, well, he's just so darn cute. Yes, it is Monday, just another manic Monday. Oh. So, good morning, all of you. Happy to see you again, or happy to be seen, I guess I should say. Just letting you know that I have posted some exercises for you to do. I've used a platform called No Red Ink and put the code onto Google Classroom for all of you so that you can start some exercises. It's some grammar for right now. I'll be upping the ante on that very soon and having you do some exercises that have to do with claim and counterclaim and that kind of activity. So you're not just doing grammar. You'll be doing other sorts of writing activities, and it'll be at your pace. So if you kind of tend to move faster through those things or know a little bit more, it won't be bogging you down and wasting time on things that you've already gone through or have mastered. So that'll be helpful for that area. And I will be posting quote quizzes and journal entries for you to do and type having to do with In Cold Blood. So please do not think that by any means you should stop reading In Cold Blood. Isn't that right, Bing? Because we have not forgotten about the Clutter family. The Clutter family and Perry and Dick are still very much in the minds of me and Mr. Bing, although Mr. Bing is a little upset about the whole Teddy portrayal. He does not think that it was fair that the dog just kind of got cowered and was portrayed as just a little slinky animal who just put his tail between his legs and left the farm without trying to save his humans. That was kind of an unfair portrayal, wasn't it, Bing? Yeah, he's a little upset about that. In fact, that's why he's looking so down today. Actually, he's just kind of being fed up having to make so many videos. That's really why he's looking like he is. Like, really, lady, another video. But anyway, it is what it is. So that's that. So please continue to read, because that is what we are going to end the year on, is, of course, In Cold Blood. And I'll try to be making one of these once a week or maybe twice a week if I get really bored. I do miss seeing all of you guys. For some of the classes, this is like talking to you. No, I'm just kidding. I am kidding. Some of you tend to be a little sleepy sometimes, but I do miss you guys. I hope all of you are well, and I hope you're all staying away from the beaches. So hope things are going great, and I do hope to be seeing you before the end of the school year. So please take care of yourselves, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me, and Bing will get back to you. Okay? Take care of yourselves. This is Mrs. Welkenbach signing out.